Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are the Soulful Sound, Rhythm, and Blues Band. We have had a ball thanks to y'all once again. And give it up for Social Kitchen. They have talent each and every weekend, Friday, Saturday. They're going to be starting some more talent going on through the weekday. So get on their website and keep up with what's going on right here, y'all, at Social Kitchen, Swansea, Illinois. Once again, I've had a ball thanks to you all. Have y'all enjoyed yourself? All right. Oh, look at the baby right there. You enjoyed yourself? Oh, you know how to sing? Come talk to me. Come here. I'm not no stranger because we all right here and you locked in. So, what is your name?
Parker.
Is what?
Parker.
Oh, okay. So, what is your favorite song?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, wow. I can't even think of a favorite song for you. Marty, you got a song over there for this baby?
Yeah.
You got a song for her?
Yeah.
He got a song for you. So we're going to see what he got. And you might know it, huh? Give this baby some music,
So A, B, C, D, E, F, G?
y'all. Yeah. Big round of applause. I think you gotta turn around to the audience and watch them give them a good bow. Can you give them a good bow like that? All right, thank you, sweetie. Yes, yeah, I'll give her another hand. These kids ain't shamed these days, you know. Well, ain't nobody have to drag you. All right, we had a ball, y'all. Clock on the wall say it's time to go. So we're going to do this number and we're going to take it home.
I got to begin.
You ready?
Yeah. Sing. When you go to sing.
I can't get off my heart. And I can't let you go. You are the one you are the one who makes me feel so real. Yeah. Oh, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do when I'm so hooked up your girl, Sandra, and I'm out. Thank you. Yeah. And I thank them.
Just
Thank
like we
you all.
rehearsed. Just like we rehearsed.
Thank you, guys.